Hello and welcome back. We hope you have had a lovely Christmas, and so this will be New Year's Eve, won't it, when this goes live, so I hope that you're having a wonderful New Year's Eve. Today's video we're just going to unbox this lovely package that we were sent from Pixi. So says on the back, let your beauty from within bloom. So share how you use our fresh favourites from Pixi Beauty. So it comes in this big box. Did have a padlock on it, but I broke it. So, but it was really cute, rose gold padlock. And then it undoes. A bit like a book, isn't it? And then it's got two kind of compartments here. So open to reveal the key to glowing skin. And then in here we've got a rose caviar essence to hydrate, brighten, nourish and soften the skin. And then this one is a rose flash balm 3-in-1 formula. And then this side is 5 lip treats, MatteLast liquid lips, and they're all your kind of colours, aren't they, Ren?
Yeah, they're all quite neutral, sort of nudie, browny tones. So
really excited to try these out. Should we have a little play of these on our hands first? Because we haven't tried any of these, have we? Yeah. So
you can do it on your hands. My hands are really dry and disgusting right now, so I'm not going to show you them.
You might need some rose caviar essence. So what is this then? Moisture serum. Here the dog's some. Ooh. It's pretty. Go on, put a bit on it, might help your hands. Definitely smells of rose. Nice.
I thought that was the
Nice
dog,
bits kind of blend in. It feels nice. So when do we use? So after cleansing and toning, press a coin-size amount onto the skin. Feels nice and cooling, doesn't it?
It is really nice actually. My hands are like drinking that
Yeah,
up.
this looks like a nicer hand than this one now. Nice.
I'm going to put it on
So I
my
should imagine, I know it's not particularly for your hands, but our hands are gross, so these are a good sign if it can hydrate these. Yeah, it's quite hard to get it out of the package. Don't press it all up on your hands. I want to try it out on my face as well. But it sinks in nicely, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Use AM and PM. I think we're going to be fighting over that, aren't we? And then this one, so undo this. So the Rose Flash Balm Instant Skin Booster. So it's a moisturiser, primer and mask. Sounds a little bit like
The Charlotte.
What's it called? Is it the Beauty Balm or whatever?
Cleansing Beauty Balm, I think it's called.
Yes, that feels a bit thicker, doesn't it? That would be. Oh, that sinks in nicely.
Yeah, it's
Lovely.
It's much more like a moisturiser than the Charlotte Tilbury one.
You could use that as a mask as well, though. I think if you did a bit of a thicker layer. But that feels nice. The skin feels nice and soft now. Not scaly. Lovely. So apply a thick layer and leave on for 5 minutes, 2 to 3 times a week. So for a mask, or you can just use it as a moisturiser primer. They feel really nice though, don't they?
Because rose is quite hydrating, isn't it?
Yeah. So they'd be good to try out properly on our faces, but they've passed the test on our hands. So shall we have a bit of a swatch of these colours? These are quite difficult to get out. Let's get them out first. Oh, this could be a 2-person job. It's really difficult to get out. So there are 5 of these. So let's try them out. So this one is au naturel.
That's nice. Got a bit of a pinky tint to it, hasn't it?
Oh no, I just put my nose in it.
No, it's alright.
Sure, it felt like it was on my nose. This next one is matte beige.
Oh, I like that one.
I'm not doing very good swatches, am I? That's a bit messy. You're going to say that about all of them, aren't
I know,
you?
they're all basically, they're all my colours.
Matte beige is this one here.
It's not a huge difference, is there? That was more maybe purpley tones in it.
Yeah, I like that.
And this one is Pastel Petal.
This one, Pastel Petal.
This one is Really Rose, and it's a bit more pinky.
Really Rose. What's that one?
This last one is called Evening Rose, and again it's got more of a pinky tone, but it's sort of a
Plummy sort of.
yeah, it's a deeper colour than the last.
We're both a little bit colourblind, so there nothing as
The lighting is not great in this room.
So, Evening Rose.
These are all supposed to be hydrating, long wearing and quick drying, and it also says that they are infused with rose hip seed oil. What is that?
Well, again, I guess it would be hydrating, like the rose.
So, show me that. I think
Middle one?
matte beige
Second
is going to be mine.
What one should I put on?
Maybe one of the pinky ones.
This one? Really Rose?
Go for it.
I think we need a mirror. I've got it all over my teeth. Hello puppy, are you awake? Are you?
So I put the matte beige one on. It's actually, it feels quite hydrating, doesn't it? Because usually I use they're the NYX ones, aren't they? Matte, what are they, lip lingerie or something like that, I think they're called. And I really like them, they stay on all day, but they are quite drying on your lips. Whereas this feels a lot more moisturising.
Yeah, I mean, it's not even completely dried out on my hands, so, and actually the ones that have do feel a little bit slight.
Yeah, they still feel a bit tacky.
Yeah, not sticky though.
No, but
like it would be a bit more hydrating.
yeah.
I've got it all on my teeth.
No, that's a really nice.
But I like it. This one is Really Rose, and this is the kind of colour I do wear quite a lot to work and stuff. So
Yeah, and
It's
this is
very
definitely my kind of
yeah,
colour, the matte beige.
the whole range really. We will get lots of use out,
Yeah,
won't we? They're
definitely.
quite good for day to day. I'd wear any of those colours.
I think sometimes when you get sent lots of lipsticks, if they're quite bright, colourful ones, it can be a bit hit and miss, can't it? But with these, I don't think you can go wrong with a nude, can you?
And they are all quite different, aren't they?
Yeah.
More of plum tones, warm tones, cool tones. Something for everything. Everything? Everyone,
Yeah.
really.
Yeah, because I think that's the thing with nudes, sometimes some of them can sort of wash you out a bit, can't they? So this is good to find out which one suits your sort of skin tone best. So,
Yeah, nice selection. Very impressed. I look forward to having a bit of a pamper with the skincare as well.
yeah, so thank you so much to Pixi for sending us that nice little surprise. We're definitely going to be using these a lot.
Like, best surprise ever. I love the box that come in and everything. I was just excited when I saw that it had a padlock. Sorry I couldn't show you that because I did destroy it. Shall we just show you the puppy again because he's so gorgeous?
He's sleeping.
Hello puppy. Oh, little puppy baby.
Hey Sherlock.
It's sleepy time.
he knows his Auntie Lily is a little soft touch, so he plays on it a bit with her.
I don't.
Don't you?
I don't mind doing lots of cuddles.
And lipstick?
Yeah. So yes. Anyway, let us know what you think of these lovely products, and we will see you again in 2018. Bye!
Bye.
Oh, bye from Sherlock as well. Bye bye.